Yeah.
Today in our kitchen, we'll be making a really easy and tasty recipe of mutton biryani. It's so easy to make, so let's get right into it. First off, we need 1 kg mutton. Then we're going to add it in a big bowl for marination. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. And we're going to keep some garlic for later. Then we're going to add 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Make sure you use double cream, not fat-free or low-fat yogurt. Then we add in 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add it according to your taste. Then we're going to add in half a tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds and 1 tablespoon of roasted coriander powder. Then we're going to give it a good mix so everything is well combined. So now we're going to cover it and we're going to marinate it about 3 to 4 hours, or you can even marinate it the whole night. Then in a separate pan, we're going to boil water and add in some cumin seeds and cloves. And we're going to also add in some bay leaves and star anise seeds and 1 tablespoon oil. This will keep our rice from sticking. And we're going to add in 2 glasses of soaked rice. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt. We're going to cover it and let it cook. Then 10 minutes later, we're going to check. We need it to be cooked halfway. Then we're going to take it and strain the water out. Then we're going to keep it aside. Then in a pressure cooker, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil and add in 1 onion chopped. Now we're going to fry the onion till it gets a nice golden brown color. When it's almost golden brown, we're going to add in half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, the one we saved from earlier. Then we're going to fry it again. Now that it's golden brown, now we're going to add in our marinated mutton. Then we're going to cook it till the meat becomes soft and tender. Then we're going to add in 1 tomato thinly chopped. And then we're going to mix it and cook it till the tomatoes get soft and mix well. Then we're going to add in half a packet of biryani masala. We already added in so many spices, so we don't need to add so much of the biryani masala at this point. Then we're going to mix it well. Then we're going to add in 1 glass of water and we're going to close our pressure cooker so the meat can get cooked well. The amount of time your meat takes it to get soft, it all depends on your meat. So mine took about 10 minutes and now you can see everything is mixed and it's all homogeneous now. and it smells so delicious. Now it's time for the layering. We're going to add rice at the bottom, the ones we boiled. Then we're going to add our meat. Then we're going to add the rice on top and cover the meat completely. Then we're going to add the meat again and we're going to cover it with rice again. And this is how you layer. Then we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of orange food coloring just on top. Then we're adding in coriander chopped, garlic pieces, lemon slices and some mint. This will just give our biryani a nice unique taste. Now we're going to cover the top with foil. We're going to cover it nicely so no air escapes. Then we're going to put the cover on and we're going to let it steam for about 20 minutes on low speed. So about 20 minutes later, our biryani is ready. And wow, it smells so delicious. The mint, the lemon and the coriander is giving it such a nice fusion together. This is such an easy recipe to make. I hope you guys will try this mutton biryani recipe. Now we're going to mix it all well together. This is an important step because then everything is mixed together then. Then we're going to dish it out. And you can see the nice orange color that it has gotten because we added the food coloring. And there we go. Our mutton biryani is ready. It is so easy to make with such a few easy steps. And the result is super delicious. I hope you guys will try this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.